Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you some phrases to break someone's pride. Today's lesson is very important, so listen carefully. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, would you please shut up your mouth? क्या आप अपना मुंह बंद रखेंगे? Second, what a way to talk this. ये बात करने का कौन सा तरीका है? 3. Whatever you understand. जो मर्ज़ी तुम समझो. 4. It makes no odds to me. मुझे इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. 5. What are you proud of? तुम्हें गरूर किस चीज़ का है? 6. Don't you have fear of Allah? क्या तुम्हें खुदा का खौफ नहीं? 7. Don't forget that when he comes to take away, he takes away everything. मत भूलो कि जब वो छीनने पे आए तो सब छीन लेता है. 8. Indeed, his costs are unconcerned. बेशक उसकी ज़ात बेपरवाह है. 9. To him we belong and to him we shall return. हम उसी के हैं और उसी की तरफ लौटने वाले हैं. And the last one is, he who owns the world and the hereafter. उसके पास जो दुनिया और आखिरत का मालिक है. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you must like it because it's very important lesson. So please don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day, take care, bye bye.